Hello students, you're most welcome in English class. For last 3 days we have completed the topic notice number 1, that is about an event, notice number 2 for lost and found, and notice number 3 for appeal. The topic has been completed and I hope so that you all have revised it properly, understood it properly. So keep it practicing at your home and don't forget to see the format again and again, so in your upcoming examination you couldn't make a mistake. So students, we are going to start a new topic today, that is of poster designing. It also contains 4 marks. Okay, so today we start poster designing. Let's have a look. Before that, I would like to tell you about poster. Why do we design a poster? Actually students, poster is designed for creating awareness among the people. It may be related to social issues, social problems. So the poster should be designed in a very catchy manner so that it could attract the attention of each and every person that is watching the poster. So we should be very conscious and attentive when we are going to design a poster at academic level especially. Okay, so it should be designed in a beautiful manner. I would like to start like that. So here is the poster making. I also have designed a poster for you. I am going to express that. So firstly, keep remember in how many words it should be designed. So like before, it should be designed into 45 to 50 words. Okay students, 45 to 50 words. Number 2, you will keep remember, you have to use bold and capital letter. Okay. Number 3, you can design and draw some sketches also that is related to the poster. There should not be any unnecessary and irrelevant content in the poster that you are designing. And you have to use, next you have to use imperative sentences. Okay, you can use also phrases and you can use also slogans that makes beautiful your poster designing. Okay, it should be very catchy in the eye of all people so that at a time, by seeing at a glance, they could understand and get it very well what about the poster has been designed. So let's have a look. Today I have designed a poster of traffic rules that is very general to all the people. But when there is a question mark, when we are going to design a poster, there is a question mark also, how to design it. Student, that is very easy. You have to be very conscious and meditate and concentrated. I think you are not going to make a bad poster. You will design better than me because my drawing is not okay. So let's have a look and see. The question is about design a poster, draw a poster of following traffic rules. Okay. So the poster is initiated by Delhi Traffic Police, it may be, and for all the general public, the people who go, everyone goes that. Number 1, we have to mention the topic also about what the poster is. It should be written at the top so that it could be easily finding for all the people what about the poster designing is. Obey traffic rules. Okay, it is about obeying of traffic rules. Everyone knows that. Avert accidents. I would like to tell you the same meaning of avert means hate. It's not avoid. Avoid is a different thing. It means that just neglect that. Avoid is different thing, but avert here is about disdain, we will say, hate, we will say the similar meaning. Avert accidents, obey traffic rules. So you can see here I have written in the capital letters, bold letters, so that everyone could understand it very well, because it is for the people, so that they have to get it properly. And then save lives. all the relevant things, relevant slogans, relevant statements should be written here. Relevant sentences also, not irrelevant. Save lives, that is also required, that is compulsory. Prevent traffic jams. It's also most important. Prevent traffic jams. And here I have made my drawing. My drawing is very poor. My drawing is very poor. So I think you can make it better than me. Stop. When you see a red light, there is a symbol and signal of stop. Yellow, wait. Green means go. You know very well. So I have drawn a design. I have made an attempt only. You will draw better than me. Always remember. I have also written some of the points to be remembered while we are going to draw it. See what should be remembered? We also can use an underline pattern here so that it could be seen in a different. Yes, number one, use seat belts. That is necessary for all those. Follow traffic rules. That is compulsory. Don't cross the speed limit. There are so many people who just do it. Okay? So don't do it. Don't drink and drive. That is must for all. Don't talk on the mobile while driving. Everyone knows it. Join hands to save all. This is our responsibility, accountability, that we have to do it for the welfareness of the people by setting up, by making up the same brain, same mind we have to do for the welfareness of the people. And the last, be a good citizen. You can also make a change, play a role of good citizen. Okay? So students, here is nothing different that is out of your brain. Everyone knows it in Hindi or in English language. It's your academics, that's why I have written it in English. Otherwise, everyone knows what we have to do. But whenever we are going to design a poster, we just forget everything. So we have to be concentrate. We should be meditate about that. What is the social problem, social issue that we are going to design about a poster. Okay? So after making a poster, completing it, you just have to frame it. Notice you have to frame like that. Similarly, you have to frame the poster, and after framing, that is very important, issued by. Okay? Issued by Delhi Traffic Police. Issued in public interest, we also watch in the advertisement also. So here you have to write issued by Delhi Traffic Police, then you will make a closing. The frame is completed. Okay friends, okay students. So I think you all have get it, you all have understood it very well. This is very easy for all of you. If you have got it, if you have understood it, just leave your comments in the comment box and also tell me how to make it improve, how to make convenience for your study. So have a nice day. If you have liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends so that they could also take the advantage of this and they could study at this during lockdown period. Thank you very much.